Hello guys.
Now I'm gonna close your eyes and you will guess the fruit to eat, okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
Good? Okay. Okay, take one. Guess the fruit. What fruit is it?
Wait.
Great, excellent, good job. Second one is coming. What fruit is it?
Orange.
Orange, excellent. Now, next.
Give me that orange.
Okay, I will give you. At the end, I will give you. What's that?
Blueberry.
Blueberry, good job. You can eat that blueberry. What is it?
Carrot.
Carrot, exactly, carrot. What fruit are you eating?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? It's a raspberry.
It's a raspberry.
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 What fruit is it?
Harry.
What's the name of it?
Apple.
You can open and see. Open your eyes and see. Look, which fruit is it?
Apple.
Not.
Nah.
It's a pomegranate.
It's a pomegranate.
Excellent. Close your eyes. Open your mouth. What fruit is it?
Banana.
Banana, exactly. Good job. Well done. You can open your eyes.